Morning everyone, it is finally the day. I have gone back to work. I don't know how I feel, to be honest. I think I'm more productive when I'm actually working, but I've really enjoyed this time off, honestly. I'm just about to have my morning coffee and then get stuck into work. After work, I want to start tackling my living area. So I thought I would show you me doing that, decluttering, organizing, redecorating. Might even show you, because I've started my keto eating plan again as of the 1st of January. So I might even show you what I'm eating throughout the week. Now, I'm starting off just very basic, very simple, keeping it easy. I'm not doing any sort of recipes as yet. Just basically doing it as simple as possible so that it doesn't take up too much of my time. And then hopefully in a couple of weeks, I'll get into doing some fancier recipes as well. So yeah, let's just go and get my coffee now and start the day, I guess. So I don't normally eat breakfast. I don't know, I've maybe
Liar.
I don't. That's it, you're on the vlog now for that. For that, here you go, vlog. No, I don't normally eat breakfast. Well, yeah, when you guys make it and we're having something especially.
Every single day.
Yeah, but if
but you normally never eat breakfast.
No, during the work day I don't. Like when everyone's at work and everyone's at school, I won't.
When was the last time that was? With all the lockdown, quarantine? Mum, just say you eat breakfast.
Fuck off. So, regardless, just don't listen to her. She's a lying little biatch. So I don't normally eat until about maybe 10, 11 o'clock. That's usually the first time I actually eat something. So I start my day with a coffee. And when I'm doing keto, I tend to avoid those, or try and avoid those milk pods, because I think they've got about 5 grams of carbs in them. So what I do is just add a little bit of thickened cream to my coffee. You can see there on the carbs, they're less than 1 gram per serve, and a serve is 20 mil. So even if you're using 100 mil of it, it's only 2.6 grams of carbs. So I just put, you know, what I would normally put milk, I would put cream now. So yeah, generally not listening to Jessie because she's a liar. I just normally have a coffee to start with, and then maybe about 10, 11 o'clock, depending on how hungry I am, I'll either just make maybe 2 fried eggs and 2 strips of bacon, or a bit of smoked salmon with some scrambled eggs. Any leftovers, if we've got leftover dinner, I'll eat that. And then that will usually be like, that normally keeps me going until dinner, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, I'm not too strict with it at the moment. If I'm hungry, I'm going to eat. If not, I don't. So that's pretty much where we're up to at the moment. So I'm just going to get started with work now, and I will see you guys either on my lunch break or once I've finished. All right, so it's about 11 o'clock and I'm starting to get a bit hungry. So I'm just going to, well, I know we had a little bit of leftover dinner from last night. We had chicken thighs and some salad last night. There's not a lot of chicken thigh left. It was basically just what Jessie didn't eat. So I'm just going to have that now, and I'll show you the drink that I have when I'm doing keto. I don't know why I don't tend to drink it like when I'm not doing keto. I guess because I'm filling up with Coke instead, but I'll show you the drink that I enjoy having when I'm doing keto, and I think it's pretty good for you as well. So let me just get all the stuff out and then I'll show you. Okay, we're gonna scrap the chicken because someone has picked it out of the salad, and I'm assuming that someone would have been Jessie. But I cooked up a little bit of leftover meat from our Christmas little fry pans. Don't worry, it was frozen. I cooked up a little bit of that yesterday, so I'm just gonna add a few bits of that meat to the salad. And yeah, we'll have that instead. So this is my, it doesn't look very appetizing, but it really is nice. I've just mixed in, I've warmed up the meat and I've just mixed it in with the salad. And yeah, that's what I'm just gonna have now. That'll do me now for the rest of the day until dinner time. And like I said, it's 11 now, so yeah, that should keep me going. And then I'll show you the drink I'm about to make as well. Okay, so for the drink, I put a heap of crushed ice in a glass, and I use apple cider vinegar. Give it a good shake to make sure all those bits at the bottom are dispersed throughout it. Now, if you've never had this before, I would probably start with maybe a teaspoon or a tablespoon, depending on your taste. I don't actually measure it anymore. I just sort of pour a heap in. I'm actually used to it now, but yeah, it's probably a little bit different to what you're used to if you haven't had it before. And then what I also add to that is either a squirt of lime juice or lemon juice. Believe it or not, the lime and lemon juice helps to cut the acidity of the vinegar a little bit. You wouldn't think so, but it actually does. And then I add to that a heap of sparkling mineral water. You can use soda water or mineral water. I think we just prefer mineral water because it just sounds like it's better for you than soda water. It doesn't really matter. And then you can mix that with a spoon or just let it as it is. And for me, that's a really nice, refreshing drink. And I believe having some apple cider vinegar in your day is very good for your gut health as well. So yes, that is my lunch for today and also my first meal of the day. So I had my coffee in the morning and now I'm having this. And I mean, as long as you're having a little bit of protein and a heap of green salad type vegetables or green vegetables. Green are the best because they're the lowest in carbs. Tomatoes, I think they have about 4 or 5 grams of carbs per tomato. There's only a couple of little pieces in there. It's not going to make a big deal. Also in my salad, I've got cucumber, avocado, lettuce, feta cheese. I sprinkled a bit of Parmesan cheese. Did I say cucumber? So yeah, that's pretty much all that's in the salad. And like I said, I know it doesn't look that appetizing, but it is really, really nice. And if you're one of those people that don't like your meat and salads and that mixing, then just do it separate. Well, I just finished work. God, I'm shiny as anything. And it's so dark. Have a look outside again. Look at it. It's insane. Wow. It's honestly been like this for weeks now. I think for at least 2-3 weeks, just constantly like this. I love it so much. I mean, definitely better than bushfires, eh? And everything's looking so green. Wow. And the best of all is when you get to stay home on days like this. So cozy, and it's cooling everything down so nice. So yes, let's go and get some cleaning and organising done now. It's about 5 o'clock, so it's a little bit dark in my house at the moment, but I'll try and turn all the lights on. So today I want to finish off this area. Now I flipped my rug over because the cat absolutely has destroyed this rug and has, you know, pulled up all like tufts and, you know, it just absolutely destroyed it. But then I've flipped it over and it's all brand new again now. So I hope it's probably not going to take her long to destroy this side. But I just figured, well, I mean, it's not an expensive rug, but yeah, looks a lot better. So I've just started putting everything back. I want to sort through all that. That pile there was what was in here. So we're going to go through all that. I want to try and redecorate my shelves with my normal decor. I've got my cushions to sort out. We're going to redecorate that little shelf. And then there's still a bit of Christmassy candles there to go away as well. So that's my chest now, fairly empty, which is good. It was chock-a-block full before. So happy with that. Well, I'll take you through and show you how I've decorated. This took me ages because I was just like going through, seeing what decor I liked, what I didn't. So on my little shelf here now, we've got my bird cage up the top. That's definitely staying. Love that. I've got my two little vases. One's like a little ginger jar and the other one's just a vase. Possibly both will be getting a makeover, but definitely the ginger jar, like the yellow one, is definitely getting a makeover. I'm not sure if I want to keep the other one as is, but yeah, I'll see how good the ginger jar turns out, and if I like it, then I'll do the other one as well. So definitely like those two. Got my faux fern there on the next shelf. I have my willow pattern plate on that shelf. Absolutely love that. On this shelf, I've got my little rocking chair, which I adore, and a little faux plant next to that. Down the bottom there is just my basket of pine cones. Then on this little table, I really quite like the setup on this one. So this is just the side table, and we've got my faux cotton stems in a vase there. Then I've got some vintage dictionaries and a little vintage Bible sitting there and stacked up. I have my little bird there, and then my candlestick that I made just before. Well, I actually made it as part of my Christmas DIYs. So that's one of the candlesticks I made. And then underneath that, we've just got a basket with, we can't actually see the basket, just a white basket with a blue throw rug in. So that's my little side chair. Then on the coffee table, we have my little lavender pot, candles, some matchsticks, and a little pine cone. Have a little doily on the table there, and then a couple more candlesticks with a little tea light candle holder bird cage there. Then we have my main couch with a million pillows. Now, this little setup, I'm not still 100% about. I don't really like it, but I'm just not sure what I want to do. It's the stand that's actually putting me off. I think it's too big for what's on it. So I like the little birds, and I like the little stand that the birds are in. I like the candle, and I like the vase with the little feather, or what do you call it, pampas grass in. But yeah, this riser I definitely don't like here. But I do need something to lift these three little items up, because they just sort of get lost on the table when they're by themselves. I don't know, I was feeling like they were just a bit lost on the table, but maybe not. I don't know, what do you think? Like, it just feels like it's a bit unfinished. I don't know. Maybe I take the candle away and then put the vase with the birds. I don't know, something's just not quite right with that one. So I'm just going to leave this.
What is it? What's the problem?
It's just, I don't know, this little setup is just not gelling. Like, see how that little table over there, it looks normal. It looks finished. Like,
that doesn't.
Yeah, it doesn't, does
what
it?
Have you got? Where's your decoration?
Well, this is how I had it.
Chuck some pine cones on it.
Chuck some pine cones on it. So, well, anyway, we're going to leave it like that for now, but I definitely don't like that riser there. It's just not right. And then we've got a cat, which I strategically placed right under that table, and hopefully she stays right in the middle so that it looks balanced and even.
Oh.
And then above the cat, we have a basket. I've just got a basket sitting on top with a candle. I don't know, I didn't really do much with that. And then I've got my stack of suitcases with a little suitcase on top, an extra throw, and a pine cone and a love heart. And that is my finished little living area. Kitchen's a disaster. That's probably going to be happening in the next couple of days. I did put my table back together, but I mean, I've just been decorating again, so all of this needs to leave.
And if y'all need to send me some fan mail, I like passion fruit.
So yeah, got my dining table all back together again. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that now. So we're just making pork knuckle for dinner, and I will show you what that looks like when we are Done? Okay, I think I'm happier with that now. So I just picked up a couple of my, well, 3 of the Madame Chic books that I had in my bookshelf, and I put the little birds on top, and then I've sat a lantern next to it. I think I'm happy with that now. Well, happier than I was the way it was before anyway. So I'm going to leave it at that, and then as I go through the rest of my decor, if I find something better, we'll change it. All right, so dinner is nothing fancy tonight. I couldn't even be bothered making a salad, to be honest, because I'm not really that, well, it's only the 3 of us tonight. Jamie's at a mate's place. None of us are really that hungry, so we've just got pork knuckle, and we're going to have some sauerkraut and some German mustard to go with it, and yeah, that's it, call it a day. And then for my drink, I've just got soda water with ice and a little bit of lemon juice. So
organic lemon.
Oh, sorry, organic lemon juice.
Well, we're not paying $20 for no reason.
Yeah, I'll show you the one it is. It's recommended by Dr. Berg, which is it Berg or Burke? Berg. It's recommended by Dr. Berg, so it's keto approved, but it isn't cheap. So yeah, Lakewood organic pure lemon, not from concentrate. It's fresh pressed, but yeah, look how much it is. $21.95 a bottle. But yeah, it should last a while, I hope.
Well, it's only the second bottle we've ever had.
Okay, and I'd never had any of the first one, so. All right, so I'm going to eat, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.